This plate's crooked. Okay, let's see. First, the weekly what's new. I was gonna put a different what's new video up, but I'll put this one up because basically it's the same as last time. Nothing much is new. The weather's getting a lot nicer. It's only negative temperatures at night, plus temperatures during the day, so it means maple season's here. Yeah, we could all get fat having maple syrup. What else? Not much new in the garage. UPS didn't return my, what do you call it, my vice they're holding hostage. I might have to buy another one off the dude, so if you're watching, please send me another one. And what else? I didn't buy anything off Amazon this month. I don't plan on buying anything on Amazon for at least a couple of weeks. There's nothing I need. I need the damn vice so I can finish that job and get on with the show. I did pick up a few things just to finish one of the projects. I'll show you that in another video. I got a whole bunch of videos planned. My daughter's gonna come here this weekend. We're gonna make a couple more videos. Still working on the surfboard. Yeah, wood metal. You called it surfboard. And other than that, same shit really. So stay tuned. I got 368 subscribers. Thank every last one of you. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'm just gonna keep chipping away. So, ta-da! Stay tuned.